She's giving you Auntie T. She's giving you Felicia Rashad. She's giving you Dark and Lovely box, right?
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Don't be disappointed, girl. I've been drinking water all day, trying to hydrate. I wanted to come to y'all with today is a quick video about a wig I purchased. This is not a sponsored video. This is a wig that I purchased, and this wig is the wig that's on my head. But before we get to that wig, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post. Also, follow me on Instagram at Alwaysameera. I told y'all I'm trying to make it to 100,000 on YouTube, and I'm trying to make it to 10K on Instagram. We're gonna make it happen. Let's go ahead and move on to the wig. This wig is from Amazon, and I purchased her for only $26. I'm gonna say that one more time. $26. This wig did not have any reviews at all when I bought it. She's really inexpensive, so I was a little bit skeptical. But when I finally got her in the mail, I said, oh, this wig is it. This wig is from Xiling Hair. Xiling Hair is a Amazon hair brand. They have other hair on there. I'm not sure. I wasn't sure how they were going to work out, but it works out just fine. So this is a lace closure wig, perfect for summertime. You don't have to have those ear tabs coming all the way down and having to glue that down. Also, it is short. She's a little pixie cut. I'm gonna show y'all the back in a second. She's giving you Auntie T. She's giving you Felicia Rashad. She's giving you Dark and Lovely box, right? Let me show you the side view. That's the side view. Bam, boom. Let me show you the other side. Hold on. And now I'm gonna show you the back. Y'all, I telling you, I'm obsessed with this wig, and it comes like bone straight, and when you wash it, it gets like a teeny tiny bit of a wave in it, but it's mostly like a straight wig. And one thing I love about it is that all you have to apply is this part. You don't even need to gel the wig down, but I gelled the wig down. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. One of the negative things about this wig is that the knots are really difficult to bleach. Like really difficult to bleach, and the parting space is not that deep, so you can't do like a deep side part. I know the girls like to do deep side parts. Fine with me, but if that's a deal breaker for you, I get it. But I love this wig. I think it is just so easy to apply. It looks really good, and it's not super hot in the summertime. So I do Amazon Lives. I know y'all know that, but I did an Amazon Live applying this wig, and I also did an Amazon Live applying this makeup. Lip Bar and Iman have been my favorite, and I've used the Iman foundation on my face. I've also used the Lip Bar contour and blush compact. Oh my god, girl, let me tell you, you gotta pick it up. It is bomb. So if you want to see me apply this wig, I'll leave a link for the wig application below. I also did a live with applying my makeup. I'll leave links for those down below. So I'm trying to hook you up. That's what I'm trying to do. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. I can definitely do like one of those black owned makeup brands, one of those looks on here on YouTube. Please let me know if you would like that. I absolutely am in love with my black owned brand, so y'all let me know if that's something that y'all want to see. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is quick and painless. I love y'all. Oh, why am I holding this foundation, girl? I don't even know, but I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.